Okay, we'll run through a config of a basic Hikvision or Hilook NVR. This is 8 channel. So camera ports, Ethernet port is a purple Cat 6, straight out of a router or a network switch connected to a router. I just defaulted this. Let's see if we can see it here. Have one camera plugged in. Just go next. So set the password, capital, client's name. It's all with a mouse. Just the capital and some numbers. This is 2025 backwards. Has nothing to do with the app password. So for cameras it'll be the same password. Use device password. All the cameras always just do their initial, because if they lose their password you'll have to come and plug a laptop in and pull a code out and reset it through Hikvision. Day, month, year. It's AEST, not DT, and TP we'll use. IP address, default for now. Always change it to static. Most people don't. This way you can reach it via the browser and you know what it is. We'll make it 100 is free. Just alternate DNS so it doesn't fail. So this is the app. You can always get back into this. You can skip everything. So that's fine. So it's enabled. It's offline currently. Verification code. We change it to usually the same as password. I'm going to default this again anyway. That should work. Oh. Confirm. Next, next, next. You should initialize the drive. You can move the cameras around. So right, normal left click is as normal operation. Right click, exit full screen, then you get menu. So all you have is live, playback. That's all the clients need. Configuration, maintenance for defaults, firmware upgrade. I can do it remotely. Go to camera. So this one's come up. Plug and play with the password. If it's already been used, you have to default it. When it's plugged in, comes with security key. There's a flap. Undo the flap, press the button for about 6 seconds. It'll restart and default. So OSD display. Always change the name. C1 entry. All capitals, short. And day, month, year for format. Apply. Takes a couple of seconds. So now it comes up with a name and date. Correct date. It's through a plastic. This is a really good camera. Yeah, and back to this event. Network is fine. I check the platform, Hilook Vision. So it's online, it's ready to be connected. Excuse, I'm trying to hold the phone up with an extended arm. Record, initialize the drive. So record storage, there's only a couple of settings there. Initialize or default, always fragment it. Always defrag it, default it. Then some of the newest software you have to set. Schedule, generally I put continuous if there's enough storage so that they don't lose anything. Apply, you can copy to all channels, and you gotta go perimeter, video, audio. If they want audio, apply. Change the frames, you never need 25 frames. 12 or 16 for critical front ones. It's just rebooting. When you enable audio, it reboots. It's lit up. So that should take the... And in the recording, you have to enable under schedule, sometimes as an advanced, you have to enable audio recording. Hasn't been updated for firmware yet, I don't think. Event, always configure, enable the motion. It's just firing up. IP cameras take about 3 minutes. System, user, you can add users. Network, NTP. Yeah, that seems to be missing a few settings. So event, looks like it's firing up. Let's check it on live. No, not yet. Let's see if it's flashing. Yep, there it is. So always enable motion. Settings, camera, there's only a few settings, can easily find anything. Event, enable sensitivity, way too sensitive. Put it down to 20 unless it's a long distance, take out the bushes. You can draw area, clear, draw area, whatever you want to draw. Left click, left click, left click, right click to finish. Always apply before jumping to the next section. Linkage action. So notify surveillance server is push notifications, but we'll leave that off. Light, so enable the light strobe light output. This is sound. I generally have this off. We'll just enable it for testing. And line crossing is another event or smart event with different firmware. So draw area. From there to there, it's just a line. It has A to B, human or vehicle. Apply. Arming schedule, you can select the arming schedule. So just take clear, take out whatever you don't need. Linkage action, notify surveillance server, push notification. Alarm pop up, it's just on the NVR screen. Light, sound, apply, enable. Okay, so that's all ready to go. Just seeing with, well, there's no advanced, this screen doesn't lay out properly. Parameters, video, audio, substream is irrelevant. Top resolution, 6 megapixel. The name system, you can normally name the NVR. No, nothing there. So basically, yeah, config has everything back to live. So this should behind plastic, but this would set off the strobes on motion. Back to find the app, you can either go from here, straight from there, Hilook Vision, click, so this to add device through the Hikvision or Hilook, add new device, scan QR code, or you can use it, do serial number. Just use the serial, it's on the back of this and on the box. Scan that as a barcode, or put it in manually. Oh, that's for exports, searching, intelligent search, whatever. So the only tabs is live, playback. Playback, you select the camera. You can select a couple. Playback, timeline, instead of 24 hours. This gets cut off. You can change it down to 15 minutes for the whole bar. So it's only just started there, so just check the motion again. Enable humming schedule. Linkage action should set off the light and sound. Yeah. Yeah, that's all working fine. It's just not, I don't want to take it out of the plastic. And you can manually set off the alarms or strobes or the spotlight via the app, and find your verification code and your app here. If it's binded to one, it binds to one device, you can unbind. Time sync is irrelevant, it's synchronized by NTP. You can enable there. Always have to have correct time. So there should be other settings, I think it's just cut off on the screen. So we'll enable time sync. Yeah, and that's it.